Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I want to eat ramen. Serve with pork rib called Perko. Pork rib ramen. Perko men. I'm gonna make it. So this roast, pork roast. So I'm just already seasoning inside. Ginger and garlic, soy sauce and shirodashi and curry powder mixed up. Just keeping overnight. So I was make last night. So the starch mixed up, then we'll fry. So cutting, then serving on top of ramen. So Perko. I'm just showing you how to make it. Okay, so I have to make ramen soup, shoyu flavor. I was shoyu before. It's shoyu based soup ramen. In my channel, so I'm just put on the link. It's a comment site. So anyway, I'm gonna show you again. 1 liter water. Kombu. Stock, dashi, goat for sabamushi, rich flavor. Cut of garlic and secret seasoning. It's a small piece of chili pepper. Okay, this is shirodashi. Shoyu, Negi oil, long leaf flavored oil. Try taste. Good flavor. The soup is done. Okay, making Perko. It's a starch. And set of frying oil 108. For ramen, this one is very thin one. About 30 seconds. It's enough to me. Perko. Egg. Okay, let's start to eat Perko ramen. This is a Perko. Pork rib. Right? いただきます。Delicious. It's curry flavored. Like secret item. Ramen. Yummy, good matching. Perko men. Perko ramen. It's good. Nice texture and nice flavor. So tasty. So this one makes so easy. You better make a combination with the ramen or cook the steamed rice. Yeah. Anyway, Thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good day.